welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trading. So today we have, these are all of my fidgets. I have a washing machine with like, that's the dryer. Okay, well this is my washing machine with all like the little tiles in it. And it actually works. I'll show you guys when it, here in just a little. So let me show you. Actually, I'm just going to show you now. 1 second. Okay, so here's the dryer. And it actually does work, as you can see. But when you open the door, it stops. Okay, so here's the washer with the stuff in it. And it does actually spin. And it does actually have water in it. See if I shake it. So that's that stuff. That stuff is dirty right now. Well, yeah, it's getting washed. Okay, well, this is also another fidget that I have. We just got it today, like literally an hour ago.
Yeah, and
it just came to our door. And then I have these two puppets. This one, which is a ice cream or a cupcake, and then I just have this circle one, and then I have a phone, and it does actually work. So yeah, the weather. Okay, and then I have this thing. Honestly, it is kind of satisfying because you can like do things with it, and it's just a clip.
And I ain't no. Okay.
Okay, whatever. Anyway, and then I have an iPad. Well, actually, this is hers. I don't know why I have it. And, yeah, I already showed this, but, yeah. So, those are all my things that I have. So, we're going to get to the fidget trading. We'll see you in a second. Okay, so today, the first thing that we are going to be trading, let's see. I will trade this fidget. That's their first trade.
There's that so you don't get the COVID-19. Like, seriously, the COVID-19 is spreading around here very fast.
Okay, that's not over.
Okay, here.
Okay, the magnet. Okay, I'll accept. Okay, now it's your turn, so here you go.
Okay, what? I would trade this for your simple dimple.
Add. This thing is like super hard to get. We just got it. Another simple dimple. Fine.
Simple dimples are like so amazing. This isn't
Mine
just
is so much better.
This isn't just any simple dimple. It's shaped like an Among Us character.
And black is better than red.
I know. Whatever. Okay, let's get back to it.
Okay, guys. So now let's do this. So sorry, I choked on my spit. Okay, I'd add that and hand sanitizer and this poppet.
For what?
My simple dimple and that poppet.
Oh yeah, just click me for an ad because I need to add another thing for that.
Okay, whatever. Okay, I'll accept. Move this. Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Oh, and also, yeah.
Finally, I have my simple dimple black. Or my black one black. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I like my black one. I don't like that stupid red one. Red is so ugly. Bro, I have one, you know. Okay, well, anyway. To the poppets, and let's go.
Okay, so what do you want for, this or this? Which one?
Is this from the Cosmic Fair, lady?
Yes.
It is from the Cosmic Fair. Lincoln buyers go to the Cosmic Fair. You guys can get some free, or not free, but you can get a discount on going to the Cosmic Fair. Cosmic Fair, sponsor us.
Yep. Okay, what do you want for that or... No, I want to trade that.
Okay, I will trade you these three. Oh, okay. Thank you for the monkey.
Sorry, I can't just read. I can't.
Okay, now let's go. No. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, so now we're going to be doing, let's go. Okay, I will trade you this puppet and my iPad.
For what?
Your Simple Dimple and Poppet.
Simple, simple, and pop it?
Except. Thank you. Okay, now let's do. Okay, let's go into this. Okay. What do you want for this?
I will trade you your Simple Dimple.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to be trading. Not to my phone. I will trade you.
What is that?
I'll trade you my kiwi squishy, not my washer.
For
It dries
what?
my clothes. I will trade you that for your Simple Dimple and the bath bombs and the tablet. Wait, I'm not done.
Okay. Add.
Okay, I'll accept. Because this is literally legendary. I made it literally 15 minutes ago.
Yeah. And this is like
What
almost
kind
like hard to make sometimes.
Well, at least mine was because we literally ran out of paper, so we had to go all the way to the store.
Okay, so now. Okay. Okay, guys, so I would trade you this, and this for, just trade me whatever. Okay, this. Okay, guys, my kiwi squishy's coming back home. Okay, I'll accept. There you go. Okay, now, let's trade. What do you want to trade?
I want to trade,
This is free turn. Let's just do free turn for the rest of the time. Like, you can trade whatever you want. Because that's normally how it's supposed to go, but...
okay, hand sanitizer, not. Or,
No, just trade... No, keep that. Like, okay, whatever. Okay, I will trade you this. Are you sure you want to... Okay. I'll accept. Miss Girl. Ciao. Anyway.
sorry.
Okay, it's your turn. So I will do this. Okay. Okay, guys, look at what we got. Okay, do you want that?
I'll trade you this.
Hey, look, red and red, okay?
Wait, no, actually, I'm gonna add because that's so ugly. Okay, yeah, I'll accept this. Or wait, you didn't finish. So are you sure you want to do that? Okay. Here's your Simple Dimple. Okay, show my side too. That was so.
There.
You just draw the line in the middle.
Okay, so now what? Okay. So, I would like this spring for something very special.
Fidget spinner. Okay. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, now. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so let's organize real quick. So let's organize while we're at it. So we need to organize this stuff. Let's put those there. Pop it on top of this. And we can put the iPad there. Electronics can go like right there. That can go just there. And then the spring, and then this. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, so we got all organized, and let's do this. Okay, guys, so what are you gonna trade? So you can go first.
Okay, I want this chicken for the space thing. No, I'm kidding. That. Because look, they're both in space
guys. So what are you gonna trade now?
Okay, I want to trade this chicken for the kiwi squishy. If they're both squishy. Okay. This chicken for just for food.
Food? Oh, no.
Or
Wait, are you
just-
sure you want to trade it for free? Like, you might need the chicken. It lays chicken eggs.
Okay, but I would like hand sanitizer for it.
Okay,
Or your dimpling, simple dimple.
I'll add. Or there. I'll accept.
So you can have breakfast in the morning.
Okay, guys, so this is probably going to be all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. We might do another one of these videos, but that's only if you like our video. Give it a thumbs up. And we are going to see you next time. Bye. Peace.